All right, today I am going to show you how to prime your deodorant. Okay, this right here is made by Degree. Okay, this is for men's Motion Sense. Ultra clear, black and white, fresh smelling, 48-hour protection. All right, no yellow stains, anti-white marks. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to prime it. So you're going to open up your deodorant, smell it, and then you are going to take the bottom of it and just twist the knob, twist the knob, twist the knob, twist the knob, until the deodorant is primed. Now, if too much deodorant comes out, okay, you are going to take the deodorant and twist it the other way to make sure it goes in. Twist the knob, and voila. That's how you prime your deodorant. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.